Today I'm going to be pointing it this way. It's the inside of my house. I'm walking in my heels right now. They're like gorgeous. They're just too big on me right now because I'm sliding my toe up as far as possible. But they're not too big on me. They are size... Guys, I have small feet. They're size 6.5. But anyways, I'm taking off my heels so we can go in the woods. Not putting these in my... Okay, I think they're upstairs.
Thanks. There we go.
Let me get actual shoes on.
Okay.
Boots.
Shanna, how do I look?
Shoes.
With the tusk in my ear. It's called a talking thing.
Why do you have a tusk in your ear? That's for
Because
Legos.
it looks cool. Like, hello? Yes, sheriff's office. How may I help you? So,
Great.
ma'am, how do I look?
I'm doing something since these don't
You
work.
have a what?
There's nothing in there right
A
now.
cover? I could use that for my Kindle.
Ew. No, you can't.
Love? Seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, these are not the kind. We're
Yeah,
not
why?
using those. It's not gonna come off. Come on, let's go. In the woods.
I'm going to
We're making our journey.
Okay, bye.
Guys, we're making our journey. Sorry if our house is a mess right now.
Go over?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do
We are
this.
gonna be stylish and do this. Yeah.
Gotta do this the top way.
1 second, the door's not closed. Wait.
Can you help? Dad doesn't really want this filled.
I put water in there so it would warm up so I could take Jack for a bath. Let's go.
That's gonna be like burning hot right now. We gotta go up.
I want to see if my brightness is all the way up. No, it is not. Maybe that is because... Oh, there we go. I can see.
Somebody's been in our shed.
That was probably you when you were taking that balloon video or you got all angry because it wouldn't pop. So you don't need to dress like a cop everywhere you go. Like, literally, he dresses like that when he's going out in public. Guys, watch him go in this grass. It is super duper long. Watch. Dude, it's up to our knees. There's spiders in here. Holy cow, will we be able to make it?
Snakes with spiders.
There is spiders.
Wait, there is. Oh, poor Jack.
Oh, jeez.
Hi, buddy.
I got it. Let's go. We're still climbing over the fence.
Jack.
Hey, guys, that was an epic fail. I just fell.
You poor baby. I'm sorry.
I just fell. Good thing there's no cameras outside right now.
Oh, Jack wants to come with.
Oh, can you hold this?
Sure.
It pointed at me.
Yep. Ready. She's a loser. I'm just kidding. No, she isn't.
I have heels.
Okay. Seriously? You have heels?
Well, they're boots. Boots and
Okay,
boots and
Trina.
boots and oh my god, I do not
Want to get pants on?
No, it's hot out here.
So?
You first.
Want to go to the trail?
Yeah, let's go to the trail.
Hopefully
I don't feel like having sex.
2:45.
Ooh, he's gonna be here soon. So we bet we're gonna do what's this? Oh, it's focusing. Oof.
Focusing.
Like it's focusing. You don't know what focusing is? You have a lot to learn about cameras still.
Hey, it looks like somebody mowed way down.
Guys, I feel super itchy now. Because I just touched grass.
Oh, wait.
It's been dirt. It's just in the winter it's ice.
It looks like
It's hot, guys. Guys, this is technically not the woods. It's just the woods are around us. There's just a trail going through it. It's a nice, peaceful walk. I think it's our neighbor's trail. We're not yelling.
How far do you want to go?
Oh, you said how far do we want to go? Oh, I thought you were like, are we going to yell? I'm like, no. Let's just walk until I say let's head back. How about that?
I've gone this way before.
So have I. I've gone.
I'm on a four-wheeler.
Good for you. I've gone here when this whole thing was ice. Man, it was slippery. You could barely touch it without slipping on your butt.
Guys, mudding is awesome.
It is.
I also got to have a huge ice cream about that big
Mudding's great.
at a bar.
We're going to go to the left here. There's 2 trails, but
No, straight.
left.
Guys, know in the comments below which way do you want to go next video.
There's like 1,000 trails in here. I'm
Yeah.
not kidding.
Left, right, straight.
Backwards. Hey Joe, we're just gonna head through the woods to our house, but we're gonna.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Might not work very well. We need to find the. Oh.
Trina, there's a spider on your leg.
No, there isn't.
Fight.
Oh my god, it's starting to rain, guys. Oh, maybe we should head back, Joe, because this thing's not waterproof. I'm stupid. I'm not going through the woods.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, guys. Let's
Run.
go.
Let's run.
Guys, it's raining. Whoa! Run, Joe. I can't run in heels. Don't leave me here. I'm a piece of grass.
I got a 1050.
Guys, I can't believe it started raining when I came out here. Oh my gosh. My thing's like all foggy.
Oh wait, you're female. Oh, sorry.
Let's go. It's like getting all fogged. Joe, don't run. I'm the one with the camera, guys. I'm gonna go like this real quick because it's like raining. I'm like trying to protect it as best as I can. Woo! I my shirt. I was just literally using my shirt. Why did it have to rain, guys? Why?
Best video you've ever made.
Wow, calling all my other videos lame. They are pretty lame. What if Dad's home? Oh look, there's shoe prints. I wonder who they're from. Oh wait, they're from here.
Oh yeah, he is. He's checking the mail.
Whoosh. Guys, let's go. He is not checking the mail. Oh, my video's. My camera's foggy. Ooh.
Gina, you gotta run and jump right here.
I can't.
I'll hold it, you run
My
and
hips
jump.
hurt.
You hold it, well, I hold it, you run and jump.
I'm not jumping.
Fine, just get over. Subscribe to our channels.
Oh, that's what is going on my YouTube channel. So subscribe to my. He sneezes like a cow.
Except cows don't sneeze.
Joe, I think you look better with a hat and sunglasses so we don't see that face.
We should make like a
I'm just
fort
kidding.
someday out of this.
Hey, Joe, we should start now. Oh wait,
No.
It's raining. Guys, I'm gonna
gotta
end
get,
this
like,
video.
Oh,
And
they're all birds.
yeah, so that might not be a good idea. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video. Joe, say bye.
Bye guys, subscribe to Joseph Bedgood too.
Oh yeah. Bye.
On the YouTube channel.